Well, here's the next match, everyone. This is the second of the best of 7. We are already down by 1, and that's kind of making me a little bit worried now. But our next match for the TPW Tag Team Championships, the vacant, should I mind you, Tag Team Championships, is Batman and Robin taking on 2CW's own Green Arrow and the Flash. For those of you who don't remember, do remember Everything or Nothing, Purple Guy in his creation, Halloween, won the belts. But then we go and find out that Halloween was some sort of illegal, superpowered creation monster thing, and we had to vacate it because he cheated to win the belts. And we had to destroy Halloween, and Purple Guy is under, basically, suspension right now. And I don't know how pissed he will be when he gets back. But he says we keep screwing with him, so I'm getting worried that we're screwing with him a little too much.
Now, listen.
Because remember, now he's a former tag champion and international championship.
Tommy wasn't the one that had to sit in an office room with Purple Guy and tell him that he was suspended and hope that he didn't get stabbed.
Yeah, this guy had to do it. I just heard about it and I was like, you did what? And this is the former tag team champions. The former tag team champions. The former tag team champions versus 2CW's own, it's Justice League versus Justice League basically right now.
Yeah.
Batman used to be with 2CW, but he's been siding with TPW since we started, so it's kind of like he's viewing his old team as rivals now. It's kind of gotten personal the last couple months for him having to take on the Justice League. And it's for the vacant titles. It's the former champions who lost because of that illegal Halloween monster, which we've had to destroy and put on lock and key in some, forbidden, warehouse somewhere down in Acapulco or something. Which I'd be worried about that thing coming out and getting us like all the other animatronic monstrosities.
Why is the Flash's ear thing backwards? Who cares, alright? No wonder it's so mentally dumb. It's from 2CW. That dumb company. 50% of that company is dumb, not the half that supports me.
And here's the Flash. The first. Oh, great.
I don't know why he decided to go so slow.
He was just mocking us. And basically what it is. Here comes. They just decided they're mocking us. They're coming out separate. Like, what do you think? We're down so far in this thing. It's best of 7. We're down so far. We have to hope to at least even it out. Batman and Robin have to win this match. Or we're going to be down. Oh, jeez. And this is for the tag team titles, the vacant tag team championships. This is like we've had like 4 different teams: the RKO that Gravity forgot, Batman and Robin, the Boss and his Fire Inferno dude.
Yeah.
This is our tag team division's been kind of screwy the last year and a half.
I love that every single belt we have has been switching hands like left and right, except for the main important belt that we have, which Markiplier has retained for almost forever.
Yes. Oh! The Flash going after Robin. Green Arrow going after Batman. This is... Oh, and the springboard off the top. Flash taking it to Robin. He's taking it. Oh, and Batman just takes him down. Oh, Robin's getting beat up. He just punched. Holy moly!
Batman just did a backflip.
He did like a shooting star press off the ropes, and I'm just like, when did Batman know how to do that? Oh, and into the ropes. He's going in. Oh, and Robin reversed it. It's taking the Flash into the... Technically, if anything, Flash should be able to just destroy Robin here, but...
we have no superpowers right now. We had to make sure about that.
John, he just splashed him. Oh, that's just a backbreaker. And he kicks him. He's kicking him.
Oh, and Batman just taking it to the mat.
Oh! Oh! He missed the Flash completely and hit Batman. Robin accidentally hit Batman. Oh no!
Oh, and Batman just reversed that.
Jeez,
oh, and these two just hitting these moves. The tides have turned.
Oh! The Flash kicks out. The Flash barely kicked out of that Batman. Oh, no! 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 Oh! Batman's just running all over the place. Oh no! What's Robin going for? Oh my. Oh! Reversal! Flash! Stop him! Oh my god, what the hell? Whoa! 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 Batman barely missed the Green Arrow. Oh, rope break. He gets out of the ring. The Flash trying to get some distance between them. He just... Oh!
Whoa, Green Arrow with that sick reversal just did a backflip.
Robin's hurt outside the ring. And now Flash is mocking everyone. He's telling Robin to get back in the ring. Oh! I just seen blood splatter somewhere. What happened? Holy crap, no! Oh! Oh god. Any tag team can win now. Flash is hurt. Flash is down. Batman's down. Green Arrow's up. Robin's down. Oh! He literally hit. He hit Flash out of the way and broke up the pin at the same time. Robin doing anything in his power to win back the tag team championships.
Oh, what are we seeing here from Robin?
Oh. No. Oh, what was that?
Everybody is downed right now.
I don't know what the following was. This is just all of chaos. What the? Oh god! He has Robin. He has Robin. Oh! Oh! Robin barely kicked out of it. Robin barely kicked out of it.
Right now, Batman's getting just demolished by.
This is just the Justice League breaking down. This Justice League. He's punched him. Let's go for the pin again. 1, 2. Oh, Robin still will not.
What is Batman doing? Ooh.
Go for the pin again. 1. No.
And I think Batman is like busted open.
Oh.
Green Arrow.
Robin. Oh. The Flash is dead. Oh no. Oh, we got it. We can win it. We can win it. We can win it. Oh. He can't. No! He broke out of the pin. Damn it. Oh. No. Oh. And Batman's just leaping everywhere. Oh, he punched. Oh no, he accidentally hit Robin. He actually hit Robin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he reversed it. Oh. No. Flash. Oh, no. Flash gets reversed. Oh, into a reversal. Again, neck breaker. Oh, he gets out of the ring in time. He gets out of the ring in time. Oh, no, he's thrown back in the ring. Oh, chaos.
And Green Arrow with these suplexes to Batman. I don't know if Batman can take much more.
Oh, Robin, Flash, reversal, DT! Might be enough to beat him. Oh, he might take it. He might take it. He might take it. He might take it. Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We tied it up. It's over. We got it. Oh, I was worried there for a second. Batman and Robin won back their tag team championships. That was that was worrying me for a moment. It's even. It's tied at 1-1 right now. Batman and Robin. Batman and Robin are once again the TPW Tag Team Championships.
And it looks like we're about to be ending it off here. Thanks for watching.